there's this experience that he's talking about here that we have to understand and we have to try to reach it, okay? And that's called Chichok. Say Chichok. Chichok means the highest experience you will ever have in your normal life, okay? It's the last few hours of your normal life before you see emptiness directly, okay? So there's a level, a very high level in the path of preparation called
dari
Chichok. The end of Chichok,
tahapan
the
persiapan.
end of the Jorlam, the path of preparation, is called Chichok.
Akhir
Chichok
dari
means
Jorlam
the best thing
adalah
that can happen to you in your suffering
segala
life, okay?
sesuatu
Before
hal
you
yang
see emptiness
terbaik.
directly.
Sesuatu yang
Chichok
terbaik
is
yang
the very
dari
best thing that
pasangan
can
kita
happen,
adalah
okay?
namanya cukup.
And
Karena itu
in
adalah
my
beberapa
case,
jam
it was
terakhir
an
sebelum kita melihat
experience
kekosongan secara
in the
langsung.
kitchen,
Dan
okay? I like to
hal
call
yang
it in the
terjadi,
kitchen.
saya mengalaminya di
Certain
dapur dan
certain things were
beberapa
piling
hal.
up in my life, you know, certain experiences were piling up in my life. I think the main one was that I was serving my teacher directly
Ketika
and
saya
full
ingin
time. So
melayani guru saya secara
I was a
langsung,
cook. I was a terrible cook
saya
for 8
saya
years.
memasak untuk guru
I
saya
washed all
selama
the dishes. I did
saya
all the
menyuci
grocery shopping.
semua
I cooked all the food.
piring dan
And I
memberi
was the
kerjaan
maintenance
masak
guy,
masakan.
and I had a
Dan
huge tool
saya
kit, and I could fix
menjaga
anything in this big Mongolian temple and his house.
cuma itu
And I was the
memperbaiki segalanya
chauffeur, I was the driver,
daerah Mongolia dan
which was a
rumah
lot of
guru
time
saya.
because he often went on trips
Saya juga
to
menyupiri
teach
guru
groups
saya
in other cities.
dan
So like
saya
when
juga
we went to
membawa
Washington D.C., it
guru
would
saya
be
untuk mengantar
like 8-10
untuk
hours
mengajar,
driving.
untuk
And
mengantar guru saya untuk mengajar di Washington DC.
so I was around him all the
Berkendara
time, and I
selama
was
8
taking
sampai
care of him
10
all the
jam.
time. I did all his laundry.
Saya bersamanya sepanjang hari, sepanjang waktu. Dan saya
The
juga
only place
mencuci
I could hear rock and roll was in the laundromat. And I used to
satu-satunya
wash
tempat
it every
saya bisa
weekend.
mendengarkan rock and roll ya di
I
tempat saya
purposely
melakukan
washed once a week so I could listen to
saya
rock and
biasanya
roll in the
melakukan laundry
because he was very
satu
strict about
minggu
rock and roll
sekali.
in the temple. So
Beliau sangat
anyway, I
mengenai
had
musik
this
rock and roll
intense
di
karma
dalam. Jadi
of
ini
serving my
namanya
teacher
adalah
directly, being
saya
with my
memiliki
teacher all
karma
the
yang
time.
intens dalam
And I think that was
melayani guru
one
saya.
intense karma. We
Dan
also
itu
lived
saya
in
rasa
a
adalah karma yang sangat
community
intens.
of about
Jadi sangat
2,000 Mongolians. They were old.
saya tinggal
They
di
all were
komunitas
refugees.
Mongolia selama 2000 tahun.
They were locked up in the
Yang
concentration
telah dari
camps
sana,
in Germany with
mereka
the Jewish
melakukan
people.
perlindungan, mereka
And they escaped. The ones who lived in
konsentrasi
our
di sana,
community
orang Jerman.
had escaped over the fences in the
Mereka
concentration
telah
camps. They lived in the
berhasil
forest
melarikan diri
and survived the war.
untuk
They gathered in
melakukan
Berlin at the end of the war.
concentration camps,
And a friend of mine,
camp
Carmen,
konsentrasi, dan mereka tinggal di hutan. Dan mereka selamat
older
dari
brother was
peperangan.
born
Mereka berkumpul di Berlin dari akhir peperangan.
in Berlin.
Ada teman saya namanya Carmen
That's how
Kutikov,
crazy things
kamu
were at
tahu.
that time. And they
Itu
also
terjadi di
were
Berlin.
allowed to come to the United States, and it was
Mereka juga
really hard.
tidak
They
masuk
were all around 70, 75 years old
itu sangat
by the time I got there. So I was the
ketika mereka
Chibeta.
sampai
Say
ketika usianya
Chibeta.
70 sampai 75 tahun.
Chibeta means
Jadi
a
pada saat
public
itu
horse.
biasa
And
adalah kuda publik.
I was the only one who was young enough to drive a car.
Saya adalah
Everybody
satu-satunya
else
anak
was too
muda yang
old. So
bisa
I took
menjadi
everyone
pembawa.
to
Karena yang lainnya telah
retirement pensions. I took everybody to
saya
the hospital.
bawa
I took
mereka ke
everybody to doctor appointments. And
pensiunan
luckily
mereka,
I learned Russian in college.
membawa
So
mereka
they
ke
all spoke Russian.
rumah
So
sakit,
I translated for everybody.
dokter,
And
dan
there's a
beruntungnya
couple
saya belajar
thousand
bahasa Rusia
elderly people, and it was very, very
di
difficult. I
universitas.
had
Jadi
to
saya bisa
fix
berbicara
their
bahasa
houses
Rusia
a
dengan
lot. I did
mereka,
a lot
saya
of
bisa menjadi
modeling
penerjemah.
for people,
Itu
and like that.
banyak
I
sekali orang
meditated a
tua,
lot. I was
dua
alone.
orang tua
I
di
was
sana
the
sangat
only
sulit untuk
student
memperbaiki
of
rumah
my
mereka.
teacher who
Saya
survived to his
melakukan
house.
sedikit remodeling dan
Many
pada saat
students
itu
came,
saya
many
mencari
students
sangat
left.
banyak karena saya sendiri
And he was a
dan
very,
saya juga
very tough
satu-satunya
person.
murid
He,
yang
frankly, he kicked out
tinggal
everybody
di
except
rumah
me.
itu.
I think he needed a
Banyak
driver
sekali
so bad.
murid-murid yang datang, murid
And
dan
I
ini
don't think
sangat
he liked my cooking, but
dia orang yang sangat
dishwashing he really
keras,
liked it. So
tapi dia selalu
I'll tell you a story about
mengeluarkan orang lain
Lagos,
kecuali
okay?
saya.
He
Ya.
So
Saya pikir
he
dia
would
butuh,
say every like Thursday we gotta have momos. You
saya
know,
rasa dia
momo is
terlalu
like handmade
masakan
dim
saya
sum.
mencuci piring dan melayaninya,
Yeah, very
dan
difficult to
pada saat
make,
itu
man.
momo,
And he
momo
wants me
adalah
to chop the meat
pisang yang
by hand.
dibuat dari tangan, dan
You
itu
know,
sangat
so
sulit
I have
dibuat.
to chop it with
Saya
this
perlu
big seto,
memotong daging dengan
big
tangan
knife,
saya,
and
jadi saya
so
harus
I cut it off.
memotong dengan
Yeah. Then one day I asked him,
pisang
you
yang
know,
besar, jadi saya
by
potong
the way, I was
dan
vegetarian. I made meat
berikan kepada saya.
for everyone
Saya
else
juga
there.
vegetarian,
And
tapi
he
saya
said,
membuat makanan
he said,
daging
why don't
untuk.
we just buy some hamburger? You know, like, you know, they sell this in the store,
Lalu dia bilang, mengapa
and you
tidak
don't
kita
have to chop
membeli
it for 2
hamburger?
hours, you know.
Jadi kita tidak
And
perlu,
he's
jadi
like,
kamu tidak perlu
nah,
memotong
it doesn't
daging
taste the
selama 2
same,
jam.
you know.
Dan
Get
dia bilang,
the machine puts
dan
oil in it or
rasanya juga
something.
tidak
You know,
terlalu
he refused to
baik.
do it. Then
Jadi
after that, I went to the diamond business. I was
rasanya
working in the diamond
minyak,
business, and
dan
I
dia
came
menolak
home
untuk
late at
melakukan.
night. One day I came home early,
Saya biasanya
and he
bekerja
was cooking for himself,
di berlian,
and
dan
he had
saya
a
pulang
big
malam,
package of hamburger.
dan
And
dia
yeah, I said, wait a minute. This has, you know, you don't like that. You can't eat that. He says,
dan
who
dia bilang,
would waste their time chopping this for 2 hours?
siapa yang mau menghabiskan
And I'm like,
selama
okay.
2 jam?
You
Dan
know.
saya,
So
ya,
anyway, I had this intense karma
jadi saya
of
memiliki
serving your
prinsip
teacher,
yang sangat
and
intens untuk
you
melayani
know,
guru.
it's really hard work,
Ini sangat
and it
sulit,
was endless. I
kerjaan yang
went
tidak
home
mudah.
once in
Tidak
25 years.
ada
When
akhirnya,
my brother
saya
died, I
pulang
went home
sekali
once.
di 25 tahun
And
yang lalu.
you know, it
Saudara
was very
kandung
difficult.
saya, saudara laki saya
But I
meninggal,
was making intense karma, and I think under the
dan saya
influence
melakukan bibit yang
of
intens
the intense
dari
karma
bawah
helping my
dari
teacher, then one day I
kita.
had this
Intens
Chichok
yang saya
experience.
lakukan untuk melayani guru saya, kemudian
I was
saya
boiling some tea on
gereja,
the stove, and he
saya
insisted on having Tibetan tea. Tibetan tea is
saya merebus teh
you
Tibetan,
put tea
teh yang berasal dari
leaves,
Tibet.
then you
Kita
put salt,
memasukkan
then you put
daun teh,
milk,
kemudian kita
then you put
taruh
cream,
susu,
then you
kemudian
put
kita masukkan
butter,
krim,
then
kemudian
you
kita
put
masukkan
what's that spice? Like
mentega,
baking powders and cloves,
kemudian
like
kita
that, you
masukkan
know.
baking
And
powder dan
then you go like this in a big churn.
cengkeh.
Whoosh, whoosh.
Kemudian kita
It takes like
pompa.
half an hour to make it, you know. So I'm
Itu
boiling the water for this tea.
1,5 jam, dan
And then
saya masukkan
I
itu
reached
untuk
at that moment
membuat
Chichok,
teh,
and I'm just standing by the stove.
dan
It
ada
is
cocok.
not the direct perception of emptiness, okay?
Ini bukan
It is not the direct perception of
pengertian langsung
emptiness,
secara
but
kekosongan,
it's something
tapi
that happens
ini
to
adalah
you
sesuatu yang terjadi
just
pada kita
before you see emptiness directly. If you
sebelum
can
kita
reach
melihat kekosongan secara
Chichok,
langsung.
if you
Jika
can
kita
reach
bisa
this
menggapai
place,
Tucong,
then you will see
jika
emptiness
kita
within
bisa
a few
mencapai
hours,
tempat
okay?
itu, kita bisa
It's
melihat kekosongan
interesting
secara langsung
karmically,
beberapa
you
jam
know, if you
kemudian.
can
Ini sangat
reach
menarik
the place where
jika
you
kita bisa
understand
sampai ke
how
tempat
the pot
di
is
mana kita
there,
bisa mempelajari
then you can
bagaimana pot
understand
itu bisa berada di sana,
indirectly how the pot is
dan
not
kita
there. You
bisa,
see what I mean?
maka kita bisa
So what
mengerti
you call
kenapa pot itu tidak
dependent
ada.
origination,
Apa maksudnya
things
dependent
happening in
origination?
dependence, Denjing
Sesuatu
Dojo,
dan sesuatu terjadi
that's
tanpa
the
dasar
sister of
original.
emptiness, okay? That's the
Jadi
other
itu
side of emptiness.
adalah sisi lain
Positively
dari
stated,
kekosongan.
everything
Kalau
around you is happening through a
kata-kata
cause
positifnya
and
adalah
effect relationships.
segala sesuatu
And
datang
then
dari
negatively
sifat
stated,
dan akibat.
it is
Tapi dalam
empty of anything else. You see
yang
what I mean?
negatif, ini
So
adalah
on a
kosong
direct level,
dari
in a
segalanya.
direct experience,
Jadi
you see dependent origination
secara langsung
first
kita melihat
on the
kekosongan,
same day
kita
that
melihat
you see
kekosongan tidak
emptiness.
secara
Okay,
langsung dulu
and
di
you
hati
never
bersama.
really understand dependent
Kita tidak akan
origination until
benar-benar
that day.
memahami
I can teach
dependent
it to you. The
origination
book is
sampai
teaching it to you for many years
waktu
now.
itu datang. Saya bisa
I
mempelajari
can
Anda,
explain to
buku
you
aku
what
bisa
happens.
mempelajari Anda selama
And
bertahun-tahun.
many thousands of pages have been written about it.
Ini ada ribuan
But to
halaman
really
menulis tentang itu,
experience it in
tapi
person
untuk benar-benar
is very,
mengalaminya
very
secara
powerful.
pribadi
And I
itu
believe
sangat
that
kuat,
if you have a
sangat
chance
powerful. Dan
to
saya sangat
hear it from a
percaya
person who
jika
saw
kamu
it,
mendengarkan
then it will bless you. It will
mendengarkan
cause
hal
you
ini
to
untuk
see
melihat
it
kekosongan
yourself.
secara
Okay, it's
langsung,
very,
maka
very
kita telah
rare
diberkati untuk melihat
to meet a
kekosongan
person
secara
who
langsung.
has seen it,
Oke?
and
Karena sangat
it's a
jarang
very
bisa bertemu dengan
powerful
orang yang melihat
karma
kekosongan
or
secara langsung.
seed
Karena itu adalah
to
bibit
hear
yang
it
sangat
once
luar biasa
from
untuk
a person like
mendengarkan
that. So today my goal is sort of
kekosongan dari
that you
orang yang
just
sudah
hear
berkata
it
secara
in
Jadi
your mind
hari
from a
ini
person
saya
who saw it. And it's
ingin
extremely
sharing kepada
rare in
teman-teman
this world
supaya teman-teman
that anyone
bisa
can
mendengarkannya secara
see
langsung
that
karena
directly.
jarang
Okay,
sekali
so just
orang
relax and
kekosongan
open
secara
your
langsung.
brain
Jadi relax
and
dan
listen to Grandpa tell a
dan
story.
kita akan
Okay,
dengarkan
and
kakek kita
okay.
tentang cerita ini. Terus,
Okay. And then I think it will affect you.
kemudian
I
saya
have a theory, you know, I was a
berpengaruh kepada Anda.
negotiator in the
Saya
diamond
memiliki teori
business. My
bahwa
job was
seorang
to
negosiator di
negotiate
bagian
purchases of diamonds.
tugas saya adalah
And
untuk
I would
menegosiasi
do
dalam
maybe
pembelian berlian.
10 or 15
Saya akan
negotiations every
melakukan
day.
10 sampai
Sometimes
15
I had 2 or 3 phones at the same time.
Kadang-kadang saya
And
memegang
I'm
2 sampai 3
negotiating purchases of
ponsel
diamonds. On a good
di
day,
saat
we
yang
would
bersamaan. Saya melakukan
process
negosiasi
300,000 diamonds.
untuk
We
membeli
would be
berlian.
negotiating
Kita
for many
memproses
thousands of
300.000
diamonds.
berlian, kita akan
Diamond
melakukan
dealers are from all over the world.
diamond
Every
deal,
country has,
diamond dealer,
you know, some number of
dealer
diamond
perhiasan
dealers.
itu
And
ada di
they
seluruh
are,
dunia. Dan setiap
like in India,
negara
there's several thousand
dealer perhiasannya
diamond
masing-masing.
dealers in the
Ya,
diamond
mereka
dealer
ada
zone,
ribuan
which is called SEEP zone.
dealer
I met
perhiasan.
somebody
Namanya adalah
years
SIP
ago
zone.
who grew up there,
Saya
which is
saya
very
bertemu
rare.
dengan seorang
And
2
I
minggu
was
yang lalu
having
yang
Thanksgiving dinner with my stepson,
dewasa dari tempat
one of
itu
his business partners.
itu sangat
Grew up
langka dan
and so it's a very,
saya
very,
makan malam saat Thanksgiving
rare
bersama dengan
place
mereka,
to go
dengan
and
partnernya dan
get
mereka
diamonds, buy diamonds like that. So I can,
dewasa di
when
sana.
I negotiated for so many years,
Bertemu dengan
thousands
orang.
and thousands of deals
Saya
with
melakukan
the cream
negosiasi
of the liars in the world.
ada ribuan dan ribuan
Okay, these are
tim
people.
yang telah saya lakukan dan
I
saya
remember
bertemu
the
dengan
first deal, my boss, he said,
saya
after
masih
2 years or
saya
something,
deal
he
pertama
would
saya dengan
approve
bos
everything I said.
setelah 2 tahun
He would make me
saya
come to
kerja,
his office every time
dia
I
akan
said something. Every
menyetujui
time I made an offer, he had to approve it. Every
setiap
time
saya
I
datang
changed
ke
an offer, he had to approve it.
kantor dia akan memberikan saya
I
penawaran dan
remember. By
dia
the way,
harus
there came a day after 2-3 years,
memberikan
I went to his
persetujuan.
office to
Setelah 2 sampai 3 tahun setelah itu saya datang ke
if I could
kantornya
increase,
dan bertanya
if I could increase the price
apakah
of some, and he said,
jika saya
you
bisa
can do it
meningkatkan
this time,
harga
don't do it
dari
again.
ini,
But if he
maka
asks you to increase the price, please come to my office and stand here for 10 minutes.
mohon
And
datang ke
go back.
kantor saya
And I
dan
said,
berdiri di sini
why I have
menit,
to do that? And he says,
kemudian
I'm
saya
here
pergi.
for the day.
Dan
I won't be
kenapa
here.
saya harus
But I
melakukan
want
itu
the
dan
guy to
kenapa
think
saya harus
that I'm
mempercayai Anda?
guiding the negotiation.
Karena saya rasa
So
saya
every
telah
time he makes an
menuntun Anda
offer,
untuk melakukan
you
negosiasi.
come into my office, close
Jadi
the
saya
door,
rasa setiap kali
stand
kamu
there
masuk ke kantor
for
saya,
10 minutes,
tutup itu dan
and then go
berdiri di
back and
sana
say,
selama
the boss
10 menit,
says no way.
kemudian saya akan balik,
Okay, so
bos
I'm
akan
like,
mengatakan,
you
tidak
know.
mungkin. Jadi saya
Anyway, I got to be able to. I remember I went back. The guy said, "I said no way." The boss says no way.
balik,
He will not increase the price.
mereka mengatakan
And then
no
the
way,
guy said,
tidak mungkin.
"Oh,
Karena tidak mungkin
my
meningkatkan
son
harga.
is gonna have to drop out of college today."
Dia akan mengatakan, oh tidak, anak saya akan
I was
drop
trying
out
to pay
dari
for my son's
universitasnya hari ini.
college
Jadi saya
bill, and
mencoba untuk
you're not
membayar,
raising the price. He's
saya
gonna
mencoba
have to
membayar
drop out of
uang
college.
kuliah saya. Jika
You
kamu
know, I
tidak
don't know what I'm gonna do.
membayarnya, dia akan berhenti
And
dari
I'm like,
kuliah. Ya seperti itu,
the boss's office is empty.
bosnya akan,
I can't raise the price on my
bos
own.
kantornya sudah kosong dan
Don't worry, I'll
tidak
cover it.
bisa
We will.
meningkatkan
We'll
harganya
do
lagi.
it. We'll raise the
Saya
price. He
akan,
said, "Oh, great, thanks."
saya akan
You
naikkan
know,
harganya.
I said, "What about your
Kemudian dia
son?
akan, oh,
What
terima
about my
kasih.
son?
Kemudian dia akan bilang,
You
bagaimana?
understand?"
Apakah kamu mengerti?
Anyway, I got very good at telling when people are
Saya sangat,
telling the truth. After
saya
thousands
sangat
of negotiations, I can tell. I can
saya
sit
bisa
next to a person
mengatakan
and
bahwa
tell.
setelah
I can tell
ribuan
if they're
dari
telling the truth.
negosiasi, saya
If they're
bisa
hiding something or something like that, I can
mengatakan bahwa orang ini
immediately I can
mengatakannya
tell.
sebenarnya
Okay.
atau dia menyembunyikan sesuatu.
So I think that every human being has this ability.
Jadi saya bisa bilang,
To some extent, we all can tell if
sebagai
someone
manusia kita
else
memiliki
is not telling the truth.
kemampuan ini.
And I think you can sense that I am telling the
Kita
truth.
bisa
That's
merasakan
the
bahwa
point.
orang ini mengatakan yang
Okay,
sebenarnya
I
dan
think
orang
on
ini
some
tidak
level,
mengatakan yang sebenarnya. sebenarnya. Dan kita memiliki perasaan
I
itu.
can sense that
Saya rasa pada level
this did
tertentu
happen to
kita
me.
bisa
Okay?
merasa
And
orang ini
so
berbohong atau
try
berkata
to
jujur.
be open to the ideas that I talk about today.
Berusaha untuk
And we've reached a very
ini yang
valuable
saya
place in the
sampaikan hari
debate
ini,
of
dan
the
kita akan
angel and the devil.
sampai ke tempat yang sangat
The subconscious
benar,
part of your mind
di mana para
is deciding whether or not Geshe-la really saw
para
emptiness
malaikat
directly or not.
iblis
And
melakukan
let your subconscious decide. Okay?
biarkan
And
pikiran alam bawah
your
sadar kita
subconscious is very good at
dan alam bawah sadar
telling when
kita
people
secara
are saying the truth or not. Okay? Trust your
apakah
subconscious.
seseorang mengatakan
Okay, so
kebenaran
anyway, I'm standing looking at the
percaya dengan alam bawah sadar.
picture, you guys.
Jadi saya rasa ini adalah gambar.
No, that's too early. Okay, well, let's do that one.
Ini terlalu awal, tapi kita akan mulai dari sini.
Nah, go back. Yeah, okay, good. Listen to this part especially, okay? It's the most important thing you
Kan
ever do in your
bagian
life.
karena ini bagian yang paling penting.
And you know, then go back to your normal life, and it will stay in your mind, and
Jika
someday
kita
it will
kembali ke
open.
kehidupan normal, dan ini akan kembali.
Especially if you're doing all this dirty work for your teacher. Which, by the way, the whole staff here has done, Pachi and everybody else, and I'm very
Jika
grateful.
kita ingin melayani
I know
guru
that's
kita
hard.
melakukan hal-hal yang tidak enak.
Fernando, Gina,
Saya berterima kasih,
thank you so much.
maka saya berterima kasih kepada Pepi dan semuanya karena mereka telah bekerja keras
So
untuk
I used
menyiapkan.
to recite
Jadi saya
when I was cooking. And that's
biasanya melafalkan
name was Hayang
Nama-
Signian. Say
nama
Hayang.
panggilan saya adalah Hayang.
Hayang is the Tibetan word for
Hayang
aluminum,
adalah nama
and it
Tibetan.
means wow,
aluminium.
this is light.
Namanya
And the very
Wow.
high lama
kehidupan. Dan
was
lama ya,
presented the first aluminum pot in Tibet.
siapa
in
yang
a
memberikan
palace, and
aluminium
he
pertama di
took it
Tibet?
and he said, "Huh, Yang,
Nah,
Yang, this is really light." And then the word for aluminum became, "Wow, this is really light."
kok ini
Okay.
sangat ringan.
Then Signian
Kok
means
aluminium sangat
the dude who burns the
ringan?
aluminum.
Artinya adalah
And that was my nickname.
aluminiumnya. Dan itu
Actually, my
adalah
teacher didn't say Michael.
Nama-
He called
nama
me
teacher.
many different names.
Guru
Pungo
saya
means jackass.
Guru saya
Pungo
meng-
means horsefly.
Guru saya memberikan
And
saya banyak nama.
Hayang Signian means pop burner. He called me pop burner.
adalah
I think
Pak Burner.
Towards the last half of his life. By the way, it's 21 years this week since he
Saya
passed
rasa
away.
setelah 21
Good to think about it.
tahun
Okay.
beliau meninggal,
So he's
20
like,
tahun itu sejak
I
dia
was
meninggal.
always spacing out while I was cooking, and I was trying to recite texts.
Berusaha
While I
untuk
was
masak
cooking, I always
sambil
used to burn
melafalkan
everything.
teks.
And
Saya
then I
memasak.
was standing there staring at the
Saya
pot,
memasak.
and I
Dan
was
saya
thinking about a
memasak.
text to recite.
Kemudian saya memasak
Something
pot tersebut.
due to
Kemudian
helping my teacher, due to
satu
serving my
terjadi
teacher,
ketika saya melayani guru
due to
saya.
helping the old people
Ketika saya membantu
at the hospital and all that.
di rumah sakit,
I think due to those karmas, and he was teaching me heavily, and I
Oh,
was
ya.
meditating very
mengajarkan
heavily.
saya, beliau
He
mengajarkan
was
saya dengan
teaching me
meditasi dengan
2-3
berat,
hours a day, Abhidharma,
2 sampai 3
and
jam setiap hari
privately in this empty temple because
Secara
everyone's too old to come to the temple.
mengajarkan kekosongan
And this beautiful empty temple. So I'm watching the pot, and
Saat
suddenly,
ziarah
okay,
tempat.
here's the part you gotta learn today.
Jadi ini yang
I
perlu kita
saw
pelajari.
these pictures coming out of my mind.
Dan
You
sebuah
know,
gambar keluar dari
first of all,
pikiran.
when I look at the
Pertama-tama ketika
there's
saya
no
melihat
pot
pot,
there anymore.
tidak ada
It's
pot di sana.
only two things.
Hanya ada
There's
dua
a
hal di sana.
silver circle
Ada
okay,
lingkaran
and
circle
there's a black
dan ada
straight line. Okay,
jangan
there's a silver
dan
circle
ada
and a black
garis
straight
hitam.
line. And I was looking there, I was making the
Berwarna
tea,
silver
and
dan
I was
garis,
waiting for the water to boil.
dan saya sedang
And
membuat
suddenly, all I can
ya,
see on the stove is a circle of silver and a black
lingkaran dari warna
shape,
silver
straight
dan
black,
lurus,
silver,
garis lurus.
silver
yang
circle, straight
berwarna.
black. That's all there was on the stove. There
Itu yang
wasn't
bisa
anything else on the stove. Okay.
Tidak ada hal yang
And
lain.
then I saw these pictures coming out of my mind,
Kemudian
and
saya melihat gambar
it
keluar
felt
dari
like they were coming from the back of my head, which is
rasanya
why
seperti
me and John Brady
datang dari belakang kepala saya.
and Earl
Dan kenapa
have
saya
air
dari
conditioning. It felt like
saya dari
the
bilang ini adalah seperti
pictures
Earl
were starting
yang
at the back of my head. They are
seperti
not, okay? Mental
seperti
pictures
gambar
don't have a location.
keluar dari
Thoughts
belakang
don't have a
pikiran.
location. In Buddhism,
Pikiran tidak ada
non-physical things don't
tempat.
have a location. But it
Tidak ada
feels
hal
like,
pikiran
okay,
yang memiliki
what do they call that?
lokasi dalam tubuh.
Sensory misapprehension. In ballet, they teach you
Sensory
sensory
misapprehension.
misapprehension. It feels like
Mereka
your leg is out straight, but it's really crooked. Okay, like what feels like to you inside and what's really
Perasaan
true
apa
on
yang
the outside is sometimes
dirasakan
completely different.
dalam
But it
hati
feels like your leg is straight,
tapi
and
di
then
luar
the
itu
teacher's
dua hal
yelling
yang
at you, and
sangat berbeda.
okay, that's called
Dan kaki
sensory
kita turun
misapprehension. So you're
dan
having
guru kita mengatakan
you're
itu
having a
sebagai
mistake in your mind that it feels
jadi
like
kita merasa
there's pictures
kesalahan dalam pikiran saya
coming out of
ada
places
gambar
in the back of your mind. I don't want to say seed because you are not aware of a seed at that
tidak akan
time, okay? It's
bibit
not
karena
like
kita
you see a
itu adalah
small brown
ini
thing in the back of your mind
kita
or something
melihat
like that.
hal kecil dalam
It doesn't
belakang
feel like a seed, okay?
ya,
It is a
seperti
mental seed,
ini adalah
but
mimpi,
it doesn't feel like a seed. There's no
tapi
physical
rasanya
location
tidak
that feels
seperti
like a seed. You just see
bibit
and
mental
you
karena tidak ada
sense
tempat fisikalnya,
pictures
tidak ada
coming
tempat
out of the back of your head. And they
ya,
are
jadi ada gambar
they
keluar
are
dari
coming out of your head,
dan mereka keluar
and
dari
they are
kepala
coming down on the
dan mereka
silver circle and
sampai
the
ke
black
tempat
stick,
lingkaran
and they turn it
silver dan
into a pot.
berwarna
They
hitam
turn
dan
it into a pot. You are not watching a pot. You are not looking at a pot.
kita
And
tidak
there's
melihat,
no pot out there.
tidak ada pot di
There
luar
is
sana,
nothing there except a silver
tidak
circle
ada di sana
and a
kecuali
black string.
lingkaran silver dan
Listen,
garis.
logically, your eye cannot see
Secara
a pot.
logika mata
Your
kita
eye
tidak
can see colors and shapes.
mata
Okay,
kita hanya
your
bisa
eyes
melihat
are limited
dan
to
bentuk.
colors and shapes. The
Mata
decision
kita terbatas.
of what it is that you are seeing cannot be made by
Kita
your
akan
eye.
kita
Okay,
lihat
and
tidak
you
bisa
see,
datang
you say
dari
all
mata.
day, you say I saw him, or I saw the car, or I saw
Kadang kita
Kyoto,
bilang
I
kita
saw
melihat dia,
Takashimaya. I went on my
kita melihat
pilgrimage
mobil,
today.
kita melihat Kyoto, saya melihat
Christmas pilgrimage. You guys know. For my
Takashimaya.
wife, I went shopping
Saya
today.
melihat
Okay, she's so tired of stuff from Takashimaya.
Natal.
Anyway, that's the big department store downtown. Okay, so anyway, pictures are coming out,
Gambar keluar dari
and I
pikiran.
wanted to talk about the pictures today. And then
Dan
at least once in my life, you have heard me
yang
talk about
tetapi
it. Okay,
dalam hidup saya,
so I wanted to talk about
Anda pernah
this
mendengarkan
first.
saya mengatakan ini belum.
In the text,
Jadi di teks itu
she says,
dia mengatakan
Tanya Zhang, only labels, only names.
hanyalah
Okay.
sesuatu hanya lambang, hanya nama.
Here's
Ini
next picture. Okay. Now you can, yeah. So she's talking about
dia
dependent
mengatakan
origination. She's
dependent
talking about how things really exist.
tentang bagaimana
And
segala
emptiness
sesuatu
is the
benar-benar ada.
opposite.
Dan kekosongan adalah
For things to
lawan dan
exist from their own side, for that pot to
segala
come
sesuatu
from the
datang dari
stove to
sisinya
your eye,
datang
is
dari
self-existence.
benda
That's
itu
what's
dan
impossible.
membentuk
There's
saya.
no such thing. Okay, the
Tidak ada
pot
hal
is
yang datang
coming
dari sisinya
from
sendiri.
here. The
Itu
pictures
datang
are coming
dari
from here. There's no
gambar
pot
tersebut
coming
semua
this
dari
way.
pikiran.
In fact, there's a
Tidak
word
pot
for
yang datang dari
$100
sisinya
if I.
Tidak ada
There's a word in the
setelah
ancient language
datang dari
for someone who thinks that things are coming this way,
kata-kata
and it
dari
means a non-Arya, a person who is not an Arya. In the
orang yang
ancient
melihat hal
language,
tersebut adalah orang yang non
dun, 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 dun. He's getting some exercise. He was accused of just choosing the close by people.
Yeah. So Kewa.
Sosuke was a great guess, but no,
Tokyo adalah tebakan yang baik, tapi bukan
but it's a good guess.
Soto.
Who said?
Toto.
Huh?
Soto.
You're You're stumbling there. Say sortong.
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 Okay, $100. She got that right. Sortong. Sor means things are coming this way.
So
Things
adalah
are coming this way. What's the opposite of sor?
lawan katanya adalah
What's the opposite of soro?
lawan dari
Paro. Paro to chimba. Bottom ita. Bottom means
Paro
going
to
that way. Okay. Bottom
parang
ita.
artinya datang
Paramita.
dari
Okay. Means going that way. Sotong means this way.
Sotong
If
datang
you
dari
think the world is coming this way,
Sotong
you
datang
have
dari.
not seen emptiness directly.
Jadi
Okay.
jika kamu
A
melihat
sign
kosong langsung,
is that means you haven't had this
Ini adalah
experience
tanda
of
kita belum
understanding that things are
mengalami
being created by your own
pengalaman
pictures.
untuk
Things
melihat
are coming
kekosongan.
this way. Things are
Karena
not
segala
coming
sesuatu
this
datang
way.
dari
Okay.
kita, bukan datang dari
Now the text says something confusing, and that's
Teks
kind of why I wanted to talk about it today. He's
Dan
insisting
itulah
on this
mengapa
word,
saya membahas
tak
mengenai
tam,
itu.
ming tam, tanye
Orang
tam. It's only
berpikir
labels.
mengatakan
It's
bahwa
only names.
itu hanyalah
It's
label,
only
itu
terms.
hanyalah label.
And
Hanyalah
that's
nama.
very confusing, okay?
Dan itu sangat
It's
membingungkan.
very confusing. You know, if you go around saying, "Oh, Mike is just the name, therefore Geshe-la is
Berpikir
empty,"
mana dan mengatakan
that's
Mike
not
ada
the point, okay? You gotta
nama,
understand
itu
something.
adalah kosong,
In the
bukan itu.
emptiness books, in Majjhimika, in Middle Way, when
Di
they say things
buku
are name
kekosongan di
only,
Majjhimika dan
the
Middle Way,
word name doesn't
Ketika-
mean name. Okay?
nama
It
bukan
means the pictures
nama
coming out of
bukan
your mind. Okay? It does
artinya
not
adalah
mean
gambar
name.
itu datang
Okay?
dari pikiran
You can
kita,
call it pot,
bukan berarti
you
itu
can
hanya
call it
sebuah nama.
katushka, whatever.
Kita bisa mengatakan itu
You
adalah
can
nama
call it any different name, hayang.
atau apapun itu,
You can
terserah.
call it many names. That's not the point. Okay?
Tapi
When they
itulah
say in Majjhimika, things are name only,
yang
things are terms
segala
only,
sesuatu itu hanyalah
things are only labels. The
label.
word name
Segala sesuatu
is
hanyalah
a shorthand
label.
for the pictures.
Nama adalah
Okay, understand?
gambar
Name
pendek.
is not important here.
Gambar.
Names differ. Every
Nama itu
language has a
tidak.
different name. It's
Karena
not the
setiap bahasa
verbalization.
memiliki nama yang
It's
berbeda-beda.
not the syllables you
Bukan
use
mengenai
to say
bahasa,
pot.
bukan mengenai cara
That's
pengucapan.
not what they mean when they say things are name only. Okay?
Kita orang
When they say
mengatakan
labeled,
label.
they don't mean it's somebody put a name on it with a
Label itu bukan
little
berarti
name and
seseorang
some
memasukkan
store clerk
memberikan
put a label on it.
kepada
This is not the meaning of
sesuatu.
name only in the
Maksudnya.
study of emptiness. If you want to see
Dalam
emptiness
kekosongan
directly,
bukan itu nama.
don't get distracted
Jika kita
by
ingin
the word
melihat
name only or only
jangan
terms or only
di-
labels. Label,
alihkan kita
name,
pada
term,
nama
means,
atau label.
mental picture. Now listen.
Label dan
Coming
nama itu
out of a karmic seed in your mind. Okay? Coming out of a karmic seed in your mind. Lately, I've been calling them seed pictures. Okay? There's a
akhir-akhir
seed
ini
in your
saya,
mind
saya
that
bilang
was planted
ini
by.
adalah
There's a
bibit
seed in your
gambar.
mind that was planted
Yang
by.
tertanam
There's a seed in your mind that was planted by, always planted by,
selalu
hurting someone or helping someone.
dengan
Always.
menyakiti
Okay?
orang lain atau
All
membantu
the
orang lain.
seeds in your mind
Selalu datang dari
coming
kami.
from hurting someone
Yang
or
ada
helping
di
someone.
pikiran
Okay?
kita itu datang dari
Those
kita menyakiti
seeds
atau
from
membantu
hurting
orang lain.
someone or helping someone yesterday or 10,000 years
Yang
ago,
membantu atau
doesn't
menyakiti
matter.
orang
That
lain
seed is in your mind.
semalam atau
Okay.
10.000 tahun yang lalu
When the
itu ada
seed
dalam
opens,
pikiran kita.
it's not
Dan
that a
itu
label comes out. It's not that a name comes out.
bukan
A
adalah
picture comes out.
namanya
Okay?
yang keluar.
A
Atau bukan
picture
hanya
of a pot comes out.
yang
And
Tapi
I'll
ada
tell you that
gambar
later. Okay.
dari pot yang
So,
keluar.
one very important thing, so you don't get confused, okay, for the
Satu
rest of
hal
your
yang sangat
life.
penting adalah supaya kita tidak
Emptiness
bingung,
doesn't mean that
kekosongan
things are name
bukan
only.
berarti
He says, she says,
sesuatu itu
Ming
hanya
Tsang.
nama.
No, it's not that they're
Dia
just labels.
mengatakannya
Tak
adalah
Tsang.
minta,
It's not that they are just terms. Tanye
bukan hanya
Tsang.
nama, bukan
The
hanya
point
label.
is, they are all
Poinnya
just
adalah
pictures. Okay. The
mereka semua
word,
hanyalah
the
gambar.
word name, the word label,
Kata
the word
dari nama,
expression
kata dari label,
is just
kata
means
dari ekspresi
picture coming out of your karmic seeds. Okay, got it?
sebuah gambar yang keluar dari
And
bibit.
those pictures always have an ethical content. Those
Jadi gambar
pictures
itu
always
selalu
have an
memiliki
ethical
gambar
content.
etika.
Those pictures always having ethical content, okay? All the pictures of
Semua
all the
gambar
things that
dari
you meet
semua
in your life are
kita
coming
kita
from
temui dalam
were
kehidupan
you
kita
good to
adalah
other people or not? Okay, guys?
dari apakah
All
kita
pictures
baik
are planted
orang lain
by
atau tidak.
morality, by ethics, okay? They
Segala
don't
sesuatu
just
yang
stick in your
tertanam
head,
melalui
all right?
moralitas dan etika
There's
itu
when
tidak hanya
you're
menempel
good to
pada
other
kita,
people, you plant a
tapi
seed,
ketika
and the
kita
seed
membaik
creates a
kepada orang
picture.
lain,
When
itu
you're
menanam
bad
bibit
towards
dan
others,
bibit tersebut
lie towards
menciptakan
others, hurt
gambar
others, then you
dalam
plant
kehidupan
a
kita.
picture,
Tapi
you
ketika
plant
kita
a seed,
kita
which
melakukan
will
hal buruk
open
pada
into a
orang lain,
bad
kita
picture.
menanam
It's
bibit buruk
very
dengan orang lain, kemudian
beautiful,
gambar
okay?
itu akan
All
keluar
Buddhism,
dalam gambar yang
all
jelek.
Buddhist epistemology, where does the universe come
Semua
from?
orang itu,
All Buddhist epistemology is based on
semua
ethics.
Buddha datang dari
Are you compassionate or not? The
apakah
world
kita
was created
belas
by
kasihan terhadap
compassion.
orang lain
Okay,
atau tidak.
it's very important. Okay,
Ini sangat
there's
penting.
nothing meaningful you ever do which is not connected with
Tidak
helping
ada
other people.
artinya
Okay,
jika
got it?
tidak
That's creating
mengoneksikan
your
itu
world,
dengan membantu
literally.
orang.
All right.
Itu menciptakan
So
dunia
anyway,
kita.
the word
Jadi
name,
kata nama
Christians say in the opening book of
dalam
Genesis,
Kristen,
first line,
buku dari
in
Genesis
the beginning was the word.
paling
That's
pertama dari
extremely beautiful. We should borrow that
kata-kata yang sangat indah
for Buddhism.
yang perlu kita pinjam adalah
The very
dari
first
Budi.
sentence of the Bible says, in the Old
Kata
Testament,
pertama dari
in the beginning was the Word. All
buku
things came
Alkitab,
from the Word. Okay.
Perjanjian Lama.
The word name is shorthand for
Kata label,
picture. Okay. When you hear some Buddhist philosopher, first Panchen Lama say,
kita mendengarkan
everything is name
filosofi
only,
dari
you should
Panchen
think
Lama pertama, segala sesuatu hanyalah nama.
pot picture only. Geshe-la
Pikir,
told me.
pot itu adalah
Everything's just
hanyalah
pot
gambar.
pictures.
Istilah
You know,
katakan
when
pada
they say
dia,
name only,
adalah
terms
gambar.
only,
Kemudian
nominally existing, get over it. Just think pot, not that kind of pot, John.
pot itu adalah gambar.
Just kidding.
Pot yang itu, John.
Okay, a pot on the stove.
Ya.
Okay, all right. Don't forget. All right. When you
Jangan
say
lupa.
name,
Ketika
Buddhism,
kita mengatakan nama
think
dalam Buddhisme,
for the rest of your life. Think Geshe Michael's
sampai akhir hidup
pot.
Anda,
Okay.
pikirkan
Okay.
Geshe Michael mengatakan
By
mengenai
the way, how I feel about marijuana pot is not
Ngomong-ngomong,
part of this talk, but I
bagaimana
think it's a tremendous waste of time and
bukan
money,
bagian dari
which can
pot.
only make you more stupid. And we're already
Kita
stupid
tidak mau
enough.
menghabiskan waktu dan waktu
We
untuk
don't
hal yang
need the extra
lebih bodoh.
stupid.
Kita tidak perlu
People that I know from my
hal ekstra.
hippie days who smoked the whole time, they're all like, I guess it might go
Saya bertemu dengan orang-orang yang
be senile 20 years early.
rokok sepanjang hari dan pikiran
Okay.
mereka seperti
Next picture,
Sayang.
guys. Next name. I like this one. I don't know why. Maybe Rob can help us understand.
Saya tidak
So
mengerti,
many of
mungkin
Geshe
bisa membantu
Michael's
Anda
examples
untuk
are ice cream or donuts or
banyak
all
sekali
things my wife won't let me have. Tries to not let me have. That's why I
hal
travel.
yang istri saya miliki dan
You got to think about this, okay?
oleh karena
And
itu
don't
saya
forget this picture, okay? And it's not easy to forget.
Kita perlu
But it's easy
memikirkan
to not forget. Let's say.
jangan lupakan gambar
When you think of,
ini tidak mudah untuk dilakukan.
think of
Kita memikirkan
picture,
mengenai
okay? And
kekosongan,
it's
kita
extremely
mengenai gambar ekstrim
important.
dan
You know, I try to have fun when I teach. I joke around when I teach, but I'm
Saya
talking
juga-
life or death. Okay,
saya
everything
suka
I say is life or
gambar
death.
saya
Okay, if you
mengajar,
understand it,
tapi
you will
ini
live. If you don't
mengenai
understand it, you will die.
hidup dan mati.
Okay, it's very
Jika
serious.
kita mengerti
Okay,
ini maka
so
kita akan
anyway,
hidup. Karena ini sangat serius,
but I like to have fun.
Tapi
I
saya
think with
suka
life and death, you should have fun.
tenang.
Okay.
Karena kehidupan dan
If you
kematian
wanna
itu
have a
harus
serious search,
kita lakukan dengan penuh hati yang
have
tenang.
fun.
Jika
I was
kita
thinking,
sangat
the
serius,
guy gave me the, what do you call it, anesthesia. I was joking around with him. He's like, "Are you all right?" I'm like,
operasi,
"Yeah, I'm having fun."
saya
Okay, ice cream means the ice cream means
artinya
the silver circle and the black
Es krim artinya adalah
I don't even want to call it stick. Got it?
silver dan
It's not a stick, it's a line.
garis
Silver circle and black line. Okay?
lingkaran
What's
silver
out there
dan garis hitam.
on the stove?
Apa yang ada di sana?
It's just a silver circle and a
Itu
black
hanya
line.
lingkaran
Okay?
silver dan garis
Then something comes out of the back of your head
belakang
for no
kepala
reason at all,
ya,
comes out here
bukan sama sekali,
and
keluar
coats the pieces, okay?
dan
Unifies the
membentuk
pieces. It
bagian ini.
forces the pieces together,
Menyatukan
okay? That's
semua
the
hal sehingga
chocolate sauce.
itu adalah
Okay.
coklat.
The
Yang
chocolate
menyatukan
sauce in
semua.
this picture is the
Atau
names
coklat di gambar ini
coming out of
adalah
seeds.
nama yang keluar
How
dari
did you
sini
treat people, Ezra, yesterday?
kita dapatkan
Were
melalui
you a nice
kita
young
melakukan
man? By the way, welcome to Kyoto. It's good to have the whole family here for the first time.
selamat datang untuk
Setelah saya sendiri keluarga untuk pertama kalinya.
There's lots of husband and wife teams that debate, but there's only one that debates philosophy.
hanya ada satu komunitas yang berdebat mengenai filosofi.
Yeah, for a long time, and they're good at it, and you should learn from them.
Mereka datang, mereka sangat
Pictures
bagus.
come out of your mind
Jadi
like
pikiran
chocolate
tersebut
sauce,
datang dari
and
pikiran
they
kita
hit the what?
untuk kemudian
Silver circle and the black line.
dalam
They hit
lingkaran
it and they coat
garis
it.
kita.
Okay, they create a
Yang
nice little
mereka membentuk pot
What'd you
kecil
say?
yang
Sunday.
cantik.
No. You get me hungry. If I had a real green room, I'd have an ice cream sundae in there when I get there. I'm just hinting, not kidding. Okay, the chocolate
Saya tidak
sauce
bercanda. Saya suka
comes
makan
in pieces, okay?
Jadi
The
coklat
pictures come out of what?
gurih es krim tersebut.
Karmic seeds. And it
Jadi sama
feels,
seperti gurih.
it feels like the back of your head. It's not
Terasa
really.
seperti
Because
dari belakang
those
kepala kita.
pictures, mental seeds have no location.
Tersebut tidak memiliki
Mental seeds
lokasi.
have no
Gurih
location.
mental tidak ada
Mental
lokasi.
seeds have no physical location.
Tidak
They
ada
are a possibility. They are
mereka
a potential.
sebuah
They
kemungkinan.
They don't have a
Sebuah
color. They don't have a shape.
mereka tidak memiliki
They don't
gambar,
have a
tidak memiliki warna,
East,
tidak
west, north, south orientation. They
timur,
just exist
barat,
where they
utara,
exist.
selatan.
Okay.
Orientasi mereka
They
hanya
open and
datang
the pictures come out, and the pictures
kemudian
cover the pieces and
dan
make the black
kemudian
line and the silver circle into a
silver
pot. Okay.
Silver.
So
lingkaran
I
silver dan garis
propose
menjadi sebuah
nowadays, and in this translation, by the way, the text was so difficult. 2,000 unconnected lines of poetry.
2000
You don't even know who's talking sometimes.
puisi yang
You don't
tidak
know if
buat
it's the devil or the angel.
kita juga tidak tahu itu datang
It
dari
was so difficult
datang dari
that I wrote a commentary. Okay, in the last couple months,
saya
I wrote a
menulis
commentary. So
komentar
I put the
ini
commentary into the book. That's the first time I ever did that.
beberapa
So
bulan
there's a
belakangan.
commentary inside the
Jadi ada
book,
komentari, ada komentar di dalam buku ini.
and you can easily read it now. And I'm sure Rosa, every time I finish a book, Rosa and Anatole get it done in 24 hours.
Menulis
And
bukunya
right
Rosa dan
back.
aku menyelesaikan dalam 24
So
jam.
no, I get excited about a book. I tell them, get this one out immediately. And they're like, yeah.
Kepada
So anyway, it's ready. It's done. Okay. I
sebenarnya
have to
untuk
polish it.
bisa menyelesaikan
But I put in the new word seed pictures, okay?
saya menambahkan kata baru yaitu
Okay? Seed
bibit
pictures
gambar.
come out of the back of your mind.
Bibit
They come out of
gambar
your head,
dan
and
kita
they
dan
cover the pieces, and they
Rumit
turn
rumit.
the pieces into a pot. Okay, got it?
dan
There are no pots out there.
hal ini menjadi sebuah
Okay. If there was a pot out there, an ant
Jika ada
would make a
burung
cup of tea.
dan
To an ant, it's the hell realm.
mengaku
It's
akan
Dante's
membuat
Inferno, trying to
Tentang
climb up
cinta.
the edge of a
dan
stick
Dante
of
Inferno
an aluminum
berusaha
pot that's red hot. Okay, the same pot, the same thing you see as a pot is a
yang
hell
sama
realm
yang
mountain
lihat
to
itu
inside
adalah
to a roach. Of course, my teacher didn't have any roaches
Itu
in
adalah
the kitchen except one. So, but to the
gunung
insect,
neraka bagi
this thing looks like a
ekor singa.
mountain of
Jadi bagi mereka mungkin
red
itu
hot
adalah
steel.
gunung
You see, it's
dari
very frightening. It's a terrible, terrible thing. If the
itu adalah
pot
hal
was
yang
coming
sangat
from
panas.
the pot,
Ketika mereka
the roach in the kitchen would make a cup of tea.
maka
Understand? Okay. The fact that a
itu
roach
akan
sees it
membuat
as a mountain of
kehidupan.
pain
Tapi
proves
secara
that it's empty.
visual melihat
That's
itu
a proof of
sebagai
emptiness. Okay.
gunung dari
That
kesakitan,
proves
maka
that
itu
it's coming
adalah
from
dari
my
kekosongan.
seeds and not
Itu
from its own
membuktikan
seed.
bahwa
Okay,
sesuatu
go ahead.
itu bukan dari
All
pikiran
right.
saya. bukan
I wanted to. How about it? What's my time, you guys? 15 more minutes. Okay. All right, I got it. I usually pretend I don't see those signs. By the
Biasanya
way,
saya
I
tidak
will do Q&A, okay? I always promise I rarely deliver, but I'll do Q&A, okay? By the way, my Q&A, you can
ngomong-ngomong
ask any
itu
question
ya,
at all. I don't
saya
care.
bisa melemparkan
Any
pertanyaan apapun. Saya tidak
subject,
peduli.
anything you want to talk about, I
Hal
don't care,
apapun yang
okay?
ingin Anda tanyakan, saya tidak
I'm
peduli.
so old. I've taught
Saya
for
sudah tua.
50 years.
Saya sudah
And,
berbicara
yeah,
selama
and
jadi
I heard every terrible thing, and
sudah
I've been called,
mengarahkan
I think, every possible name.
tidak menyarankan.
So nothing bothers me anymore. So you're
Jadi
very
tidak
welcome.
mengganggu
In
saya.
Q&A, you're
Silakan
welcome to
mengatakan
ask any question. 25 years on the debate
25
ground
tahun selama debat
is a lot tougher than any question you can give
itu
me,
sangat
okay?
itu lebih berat daripada pertanyaan
So I'm
mungkin
like
Anda.
relaxed. I'm fine.
Jadi saya
Okay.
sangat
All right,
relax.
next picture, you guys.
Oke. Gambar selanjutnya.
Ta-da. I
Tadang.
told the AI, okay, you maybe
Saya
have
ngomong
an
dengan AI,
artificial intelligence. I have an artificial
tidak punya AI,
idiot. And
tapi saya
we're
mempunyai
working together. We're working
dia
things out, but
dan
it's taking time.
kita melakukan hal ini.
And
Tapi
he's getting better, but he's still pretty artificial
dia
stupid.
semakin
So
baik, tapi
I
dia masih
told
cukup bodoh.
the AI,
Jadi
I
saya
want a silver ring. He
ingin
thought it was a finger ring, I guess. Then I said
silver.
circle, then I said round object, and he just didn't get
Ini
it.
tangan.
There's a certain
Dia
point,
tidak mendapatkan itu.
you know, midnight, I'm working on some stupid reading, and I just give up. Okay, I'll
Kadang-kadang
take
tengah malam
this.
saya melakukan, saya
Okay.
membaca teks.
Something I want you to know about, and I want you to hear it from the
Yang saya Anda tahu adalah
horse's mouth. Those pictures, when they come out of your mind, the first
keluar dari
time you notice them, the first time you
pertama
observe
kali
them, the first
kita
time you
melihat
see them,
pertama
they
kita
look
melihat
like they have a halo around them. Okay,
itu
they're
datang
luminous. Okay, they are
seperti mulut
shining.
pada kita.
Okay,
Itu
they have some kind of
sinar.
a
Mereka bersinar.
lucid quality about them. Okay, they are not. They don't look like metal or something like
Mereka
that. They
tidak
look like
datang seperti
halos or something like that. They look like fuzzy lights or something like that. All right, and I just want you to.
mereka seperti
I'm
cahaya.
trying to put a seed in your mind.
Saya
You will
mencoba
have this experience
dan
sooner than if you didn't come to the class.
semoga kamu
Okay,
bisa melihat
and
ini.
I think the more detail I can give you, the better. One of the things
Saya
that
bisa
you will
memberikan
notice on
lebih
the
baik
day
lagi.
that it happens to you is that the pictures coming out of your mind, the chocolate sauce
Gambar keluar dari
coming
pikiran
out
kita.
to cover the pieces
Atau coklat
is
yang
luminous. Okay, it's somehow it's
itu
giving
seperti
off a soft white light. Okay, and you know it's not like meeting Jesus or something.
cahaya.
It's only about this far. Okay, I mean it's only a short hip. Okay, it's not like, you know, an atom bomb or something like that. It's just a soft white light that comes off of the pieces
Ya,
as
cahaya
they come
putih
out of your mind.
yang
Okay?
ringan keluar dari pikiran
It's
kita.
actually what's coming out of your mind
Sebenarnya apa yang
unified
keluar dari
picture
pikiran kita adalah gambar yang
what
sudah
it feels
disatukan
like
di sebuah
is
pot.
that the silver ring
Karena
and the black line
sebenarnya itu
are
hanyalah
out
sebuah
on the
lingkaran
stove.
dan garis hitam.
It feels like the pieces are out on the stove And there's a unifying picture coming out of your mind of a pot.
Sebenarnya hanya
Because there is no pot on the stove. There
dan
is no
garis.
picture of a pot on the stove.
Tetapi
There's
bibit dari
only
pikiran
clues.
kita yang
There's
menyatukan
only
ini
indicators.
sebuah
Tak
pot
zam, tanya zam, ming zam.
saus
Okay.
coklat
And
yang
then your mind is sending out
seperti
chocolate sauce. Okay. Your mind is sending out complete, nice, impossibly nice pictures of
pikiran kita yang
a
mengeluarkan
pot. Okay. There's a very famous emptiness teaching trick in the monastery where you
ajaran yang sangat
you get
terkenal
an apple and you eat half of it and you let it sit there for a couple days.
ketika kita
And once
mengambil
the
apel
person
dan
who ate it rot.
selama
And then you show it to you show the good side to the student and you say, you want to take a bite?
kemudian
And they're like, yeah.
bagian yang
And then you let them take a bite and then suddenly the whole thing's rotten. And you see, you never
menggigit
see
hal
the
yang
back
rusak.
of the pot. Your mind
Kita
is filling out the back of the pot. It could be pizza on the back of that. You don't know. The front is aluminum. You can
pizza
see
di
that, but you don't really know what's in the back because you can't see it. Okay, that's
Kita tidak
another
tahu
sign.
apa yang
Pizza is
karena
another proof of emptiness. I'm trying to say. Okay, what did Grandpa just say?
Jadi apa yang baru
My wife
saja
hates it when I say that because she said that means I'm grandma.
uh,
I said, okay. What else did Mike say?
nenek
I said pictures of whole pot images are coming out of your mind, impossibly perfect, and they
Tidak
are
mungkin.
luminous. Okay, got it? Okay, I think I said the silver and the stick are coming out of your mind. That's not what I meant to say. The silver and the stick are out there on the stove. Then there's a picture of a pot that comes out of your mind and covers the pieces like chocolate
pikiran
sauce.
kita yang
And then it
menggabungkan
becomes a pot on the stove.
seperti
Unless you're a
coklat.
real roach, in which case it becomes a hot metal mountain. Got it? Then
Dan bagi
in the
kecoa
ant's
itu
mind or the roach's mind, the karma
gunung
seed is
besi yang
bad,
panas.
and a picture of a mountain of steel, red hot steel is coming out of their mind and unifying the same straight black and round circle, and silver.
Gunung
Got it? Okay? All right.
gunung besi yang
So pay
panas.
attention to the luminous part. And when the day you see it, you'll know. I'm just helping you. I'm putting a seed in your mind to see it. Okay?
Menanam bibit dalam pikiran.
My last picture today.
Gambar terakhir saya.
Q&A.
Kemudian kita akan Q&A.
We call Ajna Chakra, right? It's
Kita
the
mengatakan Ajna Chakra
Bhruva Madhye at the middle. A is located.
Asli.
Madhya means middle. Bhruva means eyebrows. Bhruvor is dual genitive in the middle of the two eyebrows, which is not really, it's a little bit higher than that. Okay, here, there's a chakra, Ajna chakra. It's the one that goes like this.
Sesuatu yang
There's
datang
a knob here.
mengiringi kepala
The two side channels cross here and continue back.
dua garis
It's
yang
right between the eyebrows, but it's not really. It's a little higher. And if you ever want to contact it in meditation, if you feel sleepy in meditation,
saat kita merasa ngantuk dalam
go
meditasi
here and then go
ke sini dan
a centimeter in. Go in a centimeter and you can feel it. Okay.
masuk 1
When you
sentimeter
meditate,
Anda bisa
you
merasakan
can try to feel it.
ketika
All right.
meditasi
You'll
Anda
know
bisa
when you hit it.
mencoba untuk
It's
merasakan
like when the dentist
Kamu akan-
hits the nerve and they go, "Do you feel anything?" Gah. And you're like, "That's it. That's the one I was talking about." You know. So, by the way, it doesn't hurt, but you're aware. If you hit it,
tapi
take
jika
your
kamu
mind here.
pikiran Anda
Bhruva Madhye,
blue
go
homa
up a little bit, then drill down.
kemudian
And it's a beautiful place to focus your mind, and you will touch the Ajna chakra.
satu
Okay.
tempat yang sangat
I think that there's some ancient Indian reason why women in India wear their.
ada alasan mengapa setiap wanita di India
They
meletakkan
wear it there. They wear the spot there. Okay, they put it right there.
tengah kepala sini.
Why is Grandpa talking about Indian ladies?
Kenapa
On the
mengatakan
day that you have the stove on the pot experience, on
Baik.
that day, the
Ketika
pictures
kita
feel
merasakan pengalaman tersebut, pada hari itu, gambar
sensorily
tersebut
that
secara sensori
they are coming out of seeds in the back of your mind, and they feel like they're coming through this spot, okay? They
dan
feel like
itu
they're
akan
coming
terasa
out through
datang
this spot,
dari
and then they expand,
asma ini.
okay?
Kemudian
Then they
dia
cover the pieces, okay? So
menyentuh
you will have a feeling
benda
that the
tersebut.
pictures are coming out of a seed in the back of your mind. You do not see a seed.
Itu datang dari
You're just
pikirannya.
aware that they are coming out of somewhere. They're coming out of nothingness,
Sadar
really.
bahwa itu
They're
datang
coming
dari
out of potential. And then the
dia
picture travels to the front of your forehead. And
kemudian
then
gambar
from
tersebut
there, it
datang ke depan
creates
sini
the reality in
dan
front of you. Okay? And
membentuk
I'm just giving you
realitas
some
di depan kita.
things to think about. If you wanted this to happen to you,
Jika
and
kamu
by the
ingin
way, if you get this far, you will
jika
see emptiness the same day,
sejauh itu,
directly.
kamu akan melihat
And it's a
kekosongan
very interesting couple of hours
dan
after
itu
you
akan
take
menjadi
the tea
jam
up to
yang
your teacher and
sangat baik
you clean the dishes and then you
setelah
go
Anda
to the temple to
membawanya
do your
kepada
meditation.
guru Anda. Kemudian Anda
Those few
melakukan
hours are very intriguing. You cannot die during those 2 hours.
jam itu,
No being in history ever died during those 2 hours. Okay?
meninggal.
And
Dalam
a
2
nuclear
jam
bomb could go off, you would
tidak
survive.
pernah terjadi.
Nothing in the universe can stop you from seeing emptiness directly
Tidak
if
ada
you
hal
get
yang
this far on the same day.
tidak ada yang bisa
Nothing can stop it.
melihat
Okay?
kosongan
It takes
secara langsung
thousands of years to reach
pada hari itu.
the fourth
Ya karena itu membutuhkan
step
ribuan
of
tahun
the path of preparation. It always takes 2 to 4 hours to see emptiness directly after that. Okay?
ini
It's amazing.
setidaknya mengambil 2 sampai 4 jam
You
untuk
should be
kita bisa
jumping up and down right now. Anyway, no, it's okay. You should be though. Anyway, so I believe that's why the Ajna Chakra is so honored in
Saya
India
bilang
and
Ajna Chakra
in
itu
the yoga
sangat
tradition. Okay.
dihormati di India.
All right.
Okay.
I just tried to plant a seed in your mind.
Saya
Okay?
berusaha untuk menanam
And,
bibit dalam
you
pikiran
know,
Anda
I
dan
think those of you that fell asleep, it's a deeper
bagi
seed.
kamu yang
So don't
bibit yang
don't
sangat
worry
dalam.
about it. Okay. It will have its effect. It will have its effect. Okay.
Itu akan ada
Be
efeknya.
happy.
Jadilah
Very few people
bahagia
in this world hear
karena sedikit orang di
this
dunia ini yang bisa
madman's
mendengar.
talk. Okay. Very few people
Sangat
have enough
sedikit
karma
orang sedikit
to
orang yang
hear this. Okay.
bibit untuk mendengarkan
Very,
hal
very,
itu.
very few. All right.
Sangat
All
sedikit.
right. Q&A.
Oke. Lanjut ke Q&A.
Dun, dun, dun. By the way, now you know what they mean when next time they say name only, labeled,
Ketika mereka mengatakan
expressions only.
label
You know
atau
what they're saying what?
Anda
Pictures
tahu
only.
mengatakan itu.
Pictures only. They're
Itu
not
artinya
talking
mereka
about
menggunakan
words.
hanya gambar. Bukan
When they
soal
say name only labels, only
hanya nama, hanya label,
terms. They're
hanya
always talking about pictures, not
dan
verbalizations.
mengatakan
Okay? That's not a
mengenai
big deal.
gambar yang keluar dari
The
bibit
words
itu.
represent the
Bukan
pictures.
hal yang penting. Ya
And the
kata-kata
words
tersebut
change in every language.
melambangkan gambar.
Okay.
Dan kata-kata
We're done.
tersebut akan
Oh,
berubah
sorry.
sesuai dengan
Go ahead.
bahasa.
Hi, Gashala. Thank you for teaching us.
Hello,
A couple of
Gita.
years ago, during a Mixed Nuts Q&A, you
Saat
mentioned that there are also dance texts in the database, the LL database.
Yeah.
And I quote, you said that we could someday translate one.
mungkin
Could we please translate
bisa
dance text?
melakukan pada hal itu. Apakah
You know
kita
what
boleh
they say in politics? They say, "I will take it under consideration." No, I mean, which means that I'll give it serious thought and I'll give it intention.
Saya rasa saya akan
You know, that
untuk hal
depends
itu.
on my health and other things.
Tapi
Whether I
itu
have time to do
dari kesehatan
exercise,
saya dan hal lain.
depends on
Ketika saya memiliki
things. But
waktu
I'm
ekstra,
happy to do it. I'm
itu
happy to try.
tergantung dari kondisi
Okay,
saya.
maybe part
Saya
of
akan
the
sibuk
MMA
untuk
course.
mencobanya.
Okay,
Mungkin
there's
ini
a book
adalah
called Jang Chok.
bagian
Say
dari
Jang Chok. Jang means to purify.
jantung.
Chok is
Jantung
the
ya
short
artinya
term
adalah
for choga.
pemulihan. Song adalah
And this is a genre
yoga,
of
yoga.
literature. It's not a particular text.
Ini adalah genre dari sebuah
Jangchok
literatur,
means,
bukan
a
sebuah
book
teks.
may be called blah blah
Jangan
Jangchok, but it's a kind of book which
Ini
helps
adalah
you
buku yang
to
membantu
help
kita
another person
untuk
through the Bible.
membantu orang lain.
Okay, it helps you. It's a guide. It's a guidebook for you to guide another person after they die. And so
Ini
it's
adalah
very,
buku
very
yang membantu
important, very
kalian
useful
untuk
to have.
membantu orang lain
It's
setelah
a
mereka meninggal.
wonderful
Ini sangat
thing
luar
if
biasa,
you
sangat
can help a person who just
keren,
died.
ya kita
If
bisa
you have
membantu
the tools
saja nih.
to help
Jika
a
kamu
person,
memiliki cara untuk membantu
Bardo
orang yang
Tangdo, say Bardo.
ragu,
Tongue is tongue means a narrow path on the side of a treacherous mountain.
jalan kecil,
A guy died in Sedona recently, like in the last
jalan
week.
kecil di dalam gunung.
He's a
Seseorang meninggal di
mountain
Sedona
mountain
lalu.
climber, and he
Orang
was
adalah
on an easy rock. He was on Bell Rock, which 10,000
gunung.
tourists go there every year. And
Dia ada di Bell Rock.
there's a
10
narrow
di
path
sana
going up the rock in Sedona.
ada jalan
And he
kecil
just
untuk naik ke Sedona,
He's a master climber.
tapi dia
He just slipped and
terjatuh.
he died. He fell.
Padahal dia adalah
And it was very
pendaki yang
sad.
luar biasa.
And that's tongue.
Sedih,
Tongue means
dan itu adalah cara.
slippery, narrow path on a rocky surface. Okay? So the death books,
Jadi,
books about guiding people through that experience are called
ketika kita memiliki
Tung.
ini, kita bisa
That Tibetan Book of the Dead, Book of Liberation, something like that, is that's part of its name. By the way, that particular book is fake.
Dan
And you
buku
shouldn't
itu
follow it and you shouldn't read it. Okay, there's a translation called the Tibetan Book of the Dead or something like that. It's
tidak,
just a fake,
itu
so
adalah palsu.
don't
Itu
study
adalah
it.
buku yang palsu. Jadi jangan.
She's gonna say, well, in Geshe-la, let's do the real translation.
Kemudian dia akan
Okay, soon. Okay, no
Oke
problem.
lah, mari kita
One
lakukan
more quick question.
translate.
Geshe-la, if you want a quick question, why don't you give a quick answer?
Thank you, Geshe-la, for teaching us. I have a question on alcohol, actually. I was doing a reflection yesterday on how alcohol affects our mind and practices, and I remember vaguely long time ago, I heard a story about how Buddha talked about alcohol, about how like we should not consume more than a drop of alcohol
Kenapa
from the
kita
week.
tidak meminum
But I
alkohol?
couldn't find like a verse that
tidak
explicitly
bisa
states it. Because like if I were to convince someone else on the
Karena
negative effects of alcohol, how would I do that?
mereka
With a
tidak
verse,
minum
preferably.
alkohol.
Thank you.
Bagaimana saya perlu
Okay,
melakukan
good
hal
question.
ini pertanyaan bagus.
I'll tell a story because I like the story.
Saya akan membicarakan
I was
sebuah
translating the
cerita.
first Dalai Lama's
Saya
commentary
sedang
on the Dharmakosha
translate
Vasubandhu,
buku
called
dari
Tarlam
Dalai Lama
Selje. There's
pertama,
two Tarlam Seljes.
Abhidhamma Kosha
And
dari Vasubandhu,
the
dan
story was
Salam
in there
Selje.
about
Ada
the
sebuah
Buddha.
cerita itu
Somebody
mengenai
asked the Buddha, can I drink alcohol?
seseorang
And
bertanya
he
apa
was sitting on the grass as usual.
alkohol, dan dia duduk di
Those grassy areas are often called Rajavan,
namanya
Garden
adalah
of the King.
Javan,
There's a famous one called Jetavan,
Garden of King,
the Garden of Jeta, which was where the Buddha taught the Diamond Cutter.
taman dari seorang raja.
And I was there. I sat there. Shensang wrote the instructions how to get there.
Dan
And
saya duduk
so
ketika
those are beautiful grassy areas with a certain look to
ada
them. And we're going to try to recreate one at Dragon's Head in Rimrock, Arizona.
kita
We're going to
berusaha
try to
untuk
recreate the
membuat
Jetavan
itu di Dragon Head di Rimrock,
and make it
Arizona.
look like that
Kita akan
garden.
melakukan
But
itu
Buddha often taught,
seperti tempat itu.
I sat where he taught the
Biasanya
Diamond Cutter. And there's a grassy place in front of it. And he
ada
picked,
tempat,
forget the time.
ada
He
tempat
picked a piece of grass. Someone said, can I drink alcohol? And he
orang
said,
apakah saya
anyone
bisa
who drinks the amount of alcohol that you could fit on the tip of this piece of grass, don't call yourself my student. Which is a terrible thing to say, you know.
alkohol yang
It's
bisa
one thing to
ditampung.
say, don't call yourself a Buddhist.
Jangan
But
ada
don't call yourself my student. It's like, it
Jadi-
hurts to think about it.
Jangan
Don't call yourself my student.
kalau
If
kita
that's what
pikir
you're gonna do, don't call
ini
yourself
sangat
my student.
menyakitkan.
So, you know,
Jadi
that's the famous one. The reason I think about it, I was on a
itu yang
plane to
terkenal.
Bloomington, you remember this? No, Madison, Wisconsin. And there were a lot of Tibetans
Saya
on
ke
the plane.
Madison, Wisconsin,
And one of them
ada
was
banyak sekali orang
sitting
Tibet di
next to
dalam
me. I don't know him.
satu
And
orang duduk di
he
sebelah
ordered
saya,
a big martini
orang.
or something from the
Dia
stewardess.
order
And I was like,
satu untuk yang besar kepada
you know, and then I thought, how
maskapai.
can I tell him without
Kemudian saya
criticizing
pikir,
him?
bagaimana
And I had this cool
saya
idea.
bisa
I had
mengatakan
the
padanya
book with
tanpa
me
mengkritik dia.
in
Saya memiliki
Tibetan,
dia yang
and I found
Wow.
that line.
kemudian saya menemukan
I said, "Are you
sebuah
Tibetan?"
kalimat.
He said, "Yeah."
Saya bertanya, apakah kamu orang
Man,
Tibet?
I'm just learning the
Kemudian
language.
saya bertanya, saya baru belajar
I'm
Tibet.
curious what this
Kemudian
this
saya
line
bertanya,
about.
apa
You know? And
apa arti dari
he got this
kalimat ini?
funny look on his
Kemudian
face, like, "Are you sure you can't read Tibetan?" And
apakah benar kamu tidak bisa
so
baca
anyway, it's
bahasa
in there.
Tibet?
I can get it for you. Okay, it's in there. But
Kemudian
there's also a beautiful essay about the 62 or 63
ada
causes of
62
drinking alcohol, and I
63
think it's in Ben's book.
esai
No?
masalah dari
Okay,
minum
where?
alkohol.
Whose book?
Di buku Ben mungkin,
All the kinds of karma.
atau
We
buku
put it
siapa?
in all the kinds
All
of karma.
Kinds of
So that's
Karma.
a separate sutra,
Itu ada
and
buku di sana.
it's by Lord
Jadi
Buddha,
itu
and it gives, I
sutra
think,
yang
62,
terpisah,
63
itu dari
causes of drinking
Buddha,
alcohol,
dan
and
itu
you can find it in there.
menceritakan 62 sampai
I'll try
63
to find the
masalah
Abhidharma
minum alkohol.
one for you. In what you would do is get John Brady's database, and you would look up the
Kamu
word.
akan
This is
pergi
how
ke
you search John's
database
name.
dari John Brady
You
dan
you
kamu
find
akan
a
menemukan
word that's spelled
kata-kata itu.
unusually, like sa for grass
Kemudian
is
sa untuk
RTZVA. It's
daun,
very unusual
rumput,
spelling. So you could look up
RTZVA,
and then you could look up chang,
kemudian
which
ada
means
tang,
alcohol. And then you do a
yaitu alkohol.
Boolean proximity search. You say, give me any book
Kemudian Anda
in
bisa
which
mencari di Boolean
tip of grass is found
tip
near
of
alcohol.
grass
And
is
it will take
found
you to
near
that
alcohol.
in 10 seconds.
Kemudian kamu akan
It's a very
menemukan
powerful tool that we use in
kalimat
our
itu di
translation
sana.
team. Okay? So we can do that. If we had time, we could do it right now, but we don't have
Jika
time.
kita memiliki
Okay,
waktu,
we're going to
kita
take a
bisa
break.
melakukannya.
How long now?
Jadi kita akan break selama
Okay, how long? 25 minutes. Take a
25
25-minute break.
25 menit break
And I'll see you when we start again.
dan
Thank you.
sampai jumpa setelah break. Terima kasih.
好，我们一起起身，请格西老师。
We are so grateful for Gracie Michael for his very deep and very important teaching. Like always, we're grateful for him that he always tried to plant a seed for us to see emptiness one day. So thank you, Gracie Michael, so much. And thank you everyone for participating. Participating in this class, you're supporting to continue for this teaching worldwide. So it's a big seed. Thank you for that. And now there's a short break. We see each other in 25 minutes for the class 2 of Gracie Michael. Thank you, everyone. And see you then again.